Making it big, making it big. Alvin's gonna make it big, big, big.
Hello, welcome back to Tasty's Making It Big, the show where I make large versions of some of America's most beloved foods. Today, we are going to be making giant chicken parm. My good friend, Andrew Ray from Babish Culinary Universe actually sent in this video with a challenge. Check it out.
Hey Alvin, Andrew Ray here from Binging with Babish, and I want to tell you a little bit about chicken parmesan. It was invented in 1900 and popularized by and I love it. It's my go-to hangover dish. It's my death row meal. It is my meal probably tonight from talking about it so much. What makes a chicken parm good? Well, I've learned over the years that you need crisp, you need cheesy, you need saucy, you need chickeny, and you need a little bit of sog. I don't understand chicken parmesan, I just appreciate it. I would appreciate it if you were to create a larger version of a normal chicken parmesan, normally still pretty big portions, but if you were to make it big, make it big.
All right, thank you, Andrew, for those kind words and the invigorating challenge. We're gonna start hammering some chicken. So, we have a lot of chicken breast here. Plastic wrap, chicken breast, weapon of obliteration. Here we go. This is oddly therapeutic. And because this is gonna be a large chicken parm, I don't wanna pound it up too thin or else the structural integrity of it may do that. So we're gonna start with that for now. One. This is great if you just failed a test or you had like a bad breakup, bad customer service call. Maybe your internet is down and you have nothing to do at home. Just make some chicken parm and everything will be okay. With the help of the wonderful culinary team, we have 10 pounded chicken breasts. Thank you for them for saving my arms and my hands. And now we play a little bit of chicken Tetris. So the goal of this game, because I like games, is to get one large chicken with 10 pieces. And we're just gonna build and see what we get. More edges equals more fun. Trying to overlap the thinner sides with the thicker ones. So that way, everything just kind of stays together. Can't do this in Tetris, but you gotta move the blocks around to cheat it. These two are gonna be my glue. Spike side is going to help, hopefully, the chicken stick to each other. Trying to use these almost as indentations for nails. Well, during this aggressive meat physical session, we're gonna create some holes, which we do need to patch up. So we're gonna use these as our backup. Probably one over here, and away we go. All right, this is the end of the massage. You gotta smooth things out. We gave it the beating. Now we gotta make sure everybody's feeling all right. Okay, it's quite large. Forearm, that's pretty cool. All right, time to get this onto a circular tray and into the freezer so we can fry this whole thing. We have one large chicken pizza ready for the freezer. So, chicken parmesan, one of the great things about it is that you get to enjoy crispy chicken with cheese and sauce. So we're gonna make our version of a tomato sauce. Garlic, onion, red chili flakes. Ooh, it smells real nice. This is gonna take a little bit to cook, so we'll be right back. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so now onions, garlic, pepper, nice and sweaty, and get tomato paste in. Smush that down. Oh, that smells strong. That is a lot of tomato paste. So, tomato paste, cooking off some of that rawness. We're gonna continue with the tomato sauce. There's about 50 tomatoes in this pot right now. Good job, Alvin. First spill of the day. That's fine, I'm used to it by now. Now we stir. This should cook for quite a while. It's a nice simmer, got all the flavors going. Oregano. I'm gonna do half now. Oh, it's here. Oh, I love the smell of basil. It smells so good. All right, so this is gonna hang out for quite some time. Let all the flavors get to know each other. And then we are going to cook some very large pasta. See you guys in the back. So we are in the back tasty kitchen where we have a huge pot of boiling water, elegantly prepared for us by the culinary team. And we have approximately 2,000 grams of pasta. Oh look, and there's Hip now with the wooden paddle. Amazing. Thank you, sir, what a lifesaver. This will be our stirring utensil for the day. Oh, we gotta salt the water. In goes the pasta. All right, we're trying to get it to maybe couple minutes when they're done. It'll be finished in some sauce. Then it'll be ready. What's that one song they sing in the Harry Potter potions? Isn't there like a chant? Oh, trouble, trouble, doo doo doo. I forgot the word. Fire burning, cauldron bubble, trouble. I forgot the word. Something wicked this way comes. Woo! These noodles are looking really great, so we're gonna try one. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's done. Let's take these out. And there you go. God, that's so satisfying. It's like fishing for gold. There you go. Oh, that's hot. Oh, that's hot. Oh, hot. Woo. I'm gonna save some of the pasta water for the cooking. That should be good. All right, we're gonna finish off the pasta now. Don't spill. I spilled. Whoa, that's cool. Largest scale pasta finishing I've ever seen. Let's start with that, see where that gets us. Add a little bit of this pasta water. In you go. Woo! Just like Andrew does in the video. Some nice freshly grated parm. And basil. Little touch of water. This tastes pretty good, but this will also make it taste a lot better. 2 sticks of butter. Gives the pasta a nice sheen, nice flavor. I think it's what restaurants do to make their pasta taste really good. And if they do it, Andrew does it, I'm gonna do it too. Salt. I don't know why I smelled it. A little bit of seasoning. That is one very interesting sound we have. The most important part is to eat, to taste. This is done. I'm gonna go finish up the rest of the stuff now. I'm trying not to eat this whole entire thing because it's pretty good. So we need to set up our breading station. Usually you have a 3-part breading station, flour, egg, breadcrumb. We still have a 3-part breading station. It is just now very large. So flour. Don't do that. Eggs. I'm lazy, so I'm gonna use technology to make my life easier. This is a massive breading station. And for the breadcrumb mix, seasoned, regular breadcrumbs, panko, because panko's great. Garlic and onion powder, basil and oregano, because I'm gonna make a mess. We're gonna need more of this. And a good amount of parm inside the breadcrumb itself. This is a very well seasoned mixture. When you put all good stuff in there, you know it's gonna turn out good. I'm gonna get gloves. All right, we have our chicken pizza. So, this has been freezing for stability and rigidity. Flour. Oh, this does not fit. It's all good. I might just chop off this part. Here in Making and Bake, we provide solutions. And large food. Ta-da! All better. All right, got some flour. All right. Whew. This is awesome. Also gotta dust off the excess, of course. Into the egg. Woohoo! It's satisfying. Let's see if we can do it this way. That way I don't have to flip it. All right, let's make a little bed. Straight in you go. It's a pre-made mix from the culinary team. Help me again with the assist. Appreciate it. Double coat. Come on. It's like playing those marble games. It's one breaded chicken. Time to get this guy back in the freezer before we fry. Just some extra on the bottom in case it gets a little wet. To the freezer. We are about to fry this chicken. We have a large pot of oil, which is around 350 or so. This is very dangerous, but this is also the only way that we can fry this beautiful thing. Don't do this at home, kids. Just watch the video. And in we go. Slowly. Woohoo! Look at that. Oh, you hear that? It sounded good stuff. All right, we got a good crust going on here. Everything's looking pretty good. So we are going to take it out, if I can, like this. Yeah, there we go. Woo. That's nice. Some of this just chicken or cheese residue out of here. We don't want none of that. And edges are nice and crispy. Middle could use some work, so this is gonna go into the oven just a little bit until it's ready. We have a large chicken patty that has been fried. So this is the base for chicken Parmesan. And as per Andrew's video, I really like this idea he took. He puts basil on top of the chicken, and that way I think it's really nice because it gives it a nice perfume. This is that real farm to table. It's not farm to table, this is farm on my table. I really like where this is going. And next, probably one of the reasons why everybody likes eating chicken Parmesan is the cheese. So this is fresh mozzarella. Boom, bam, bop, bada bop, boom, pow. It's like a pizza. A little more cheese never hurting anybody. That's actually a lie. If you're lactose intolerant, you probably have felt pain from all of this. And the namesake for the dish, Parmesan. All those times when you're at the restaurants and the waiter says, hey, would you like some Parmesan? And you say yes. They always never give you enough, but today, this is my show. This is my dish. I put as much Parmesan on this thing as I want. And I'm not gonna say when. I don't tap out. We don't do that here. Whew. Arm is tapping out though. Switch. Whew. One very stacked piece of chicken now needs to go into the broiler or into a hot oven for one final transformation. Woo! All right, I'm coming off screen with this coming out of the oven. Oh, heck yeah. Chicken parm, looking really good. Cheese is all bubbly, skin is crispy. You can still see the basil. I think this will be a great plate for the chicken parm. Okay, pasta goes on first. Oh my God. Serve that at a restaurant, it's like $200. Yeah, Carbone, where you at? Don't actually, nobody tagged them. I want to go to that restaurant, so I haven't had it before, so I don't want them to get mad at me. That's like what, normal serving size for Americans? This has been the most useful tool we've had on this show, and it was designed as just like a cookie tray. But now it has become a scooper, a chopper, a bench scraper, you know, jack of all trades. We have great cheese, so might as well just use this cheese on it. Is this what people feel like when they go to the strip club? They just throw money? I haven't been to one, but I would like to try just for the experience of it. I'm gonna making it rain on the pasta. Hi, Mom. All right, a little bit of basil. Cheese is the only thing I would probably let rain or make rain. All right, half done. Heck yeah. Right on top you go, big dude. Woo! Final touch, the sauce. I think it's a smart move to put the sauce on top, not underneath, so that it's not as soggy. That's chicken parm. Make it rain. So final touches. There you have it. This is very heavy. This is a quite large chicken parm. I think it's time to eat. Oh, I need to send a video to Andrew though. I want him to see.
Alvin, let's take a look at what you did. I think it's big. I think you made it big. Alvin, you did me proud. You did me so proud. It looks unbelievable. It's huge. I love how you said that both the sauce on top and the basil underneath the cheese were my tips. Both of those are from other places, Carmela Soprano or America's Test Kitchen. Two things that have never been said in the same sentence before. But the pasta looks amazing. The chicken Parmesan looks huge, so mission accomplished. The name of the show is Making It Large, making it giant, making it big. Man, I really wish I could have been there to eat that. It looks incredible. You did great. And now all you have to do is just make it for me again when you come over next, okay? Because I'll be hungry. I'll save room. Bye, Alvin.
Time to eat. Just get myself a little serving of pasta here. You can make a normal portion. It's just like a slice of pizza. Oh, heck yeah. Yeah, look at that. Just go in. Cheers. For some reason, I don't doubt that this one is gonna taste good, but we'll see. I was right. This does taste good. Chicken's nice. Pasta's nice. Everything's nice. You know, just a normal meal in America. That's pretty good. I'm gonna finish chewing. Well, there we go. I am going to eat that for quite a long time because it is quite delicious. I also have a lot of crew, a lot of friends that I could feed that with, so I'm not concerned about taking care of that chicken parm, and maybe I'll give some to Andrew, who knows. But that was it. This is the end of the season. Thank you guys for watching again, to watch me go through a bunch of hoops and hurdles to try and make a lot of giant versions of some of the food that we all like to eat. You know, it's been a wild ride. Huge shout out to the crew, the culinary team, the art team for making things like the giant Kit Kat wrapper, you know, the editing team that is editing this episode that you are watching right now. But that's it for me. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later. Peace.